Here's a little update on our channel, Wine is Always Good. We're filming here in Koh Samui, Thailand, but we just came from Sicily, where we've spent 3 months. And we're, over the next few months while we're here, we are going to be concentrating on 4 different things, and we thought we would let you know what they are. Number 1, we're concentrating on creating a Sicilian cookbook called Cooking with Loredana, with recipes. And number 2, we're going to create another cookbook while we're working on while we're here, and that is recipes with Harry's take on Thai recipes. Number 3, we often get asked the question, what do you do for 90 days in Sicily? And so we thought we would give you an overall coverage on things that we do, like cooking with Loredana, the recipes we make, the table, how friends gather at the table every week and for many parties, what we do on Mount Etna in Sicily for 30 days or for 90 days and how quickly it goes. And number 4, in today's video, we're going to show you a recipe done right here in Koh Samui, steamed sea bass with limes, chili, garlic, and herbs. Enjoy!
Serve Joan some fish, and now she's going to put the sauce on top.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah. You tasted that sauce before, and it's just fantastic, no?
Wonderful.
Okay, and then there's some bread there.
Yeah.
Which I've given you a little bit of butter.
A little butter.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be
Fish.
and the wine.
Phenomenal. Wine is always good.
Ciao. Okay, Joan. What kind of wine are you?
We have a French Chardonnay tonight.
Ah,
Wine is always good.
yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And we
And
made a marvelous
That's steamed sea bass.
Sea bass. Yeah.
Yes,
This
and
is
with a
so good.
basically it is lemons. The main thing is limes. Sorry,
Yes.
limes and garlic,
Yeah.
and lots of other stuff in there.
So
Oh,
here is a taste test.
yes.
Here we go.
Is that any good? Wow.
The best. I've been waiting for this.
Ciao,
This
ciao,
is my
ciao.
favorite.
Good, eh?
Love it.
Yeah, fantastic. It's fresh today, caught today.
Wow.
Ciao. Cheers. Wine is always good. Today we went and got a nice little sea bass from Leh, and I steamed it. I have lots of pictures of that and how to do it. And now it's a matter of checking out to see. With this sauce, it's just amazing. John,
Yeah.
you are so right.
It's good.
Wow.
It's good. Fantastic.
Ciao. Taste that sauce that's going to go on top of the fish. So just taste this. Yeah, perfect. I think it's going to be wonderful. It's mostly lime.
Ooh.
Tasty, no?
Ooh, tasty.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That is going to be really good.
Oh yeah.
Very,
So,
lots of lime. Lots of flavors
Lime.
in there, garlic and
you know what the main ingredients is?
what?
Lime. Like I bet you I bet
taste
a
it.
dozen limes in there.
Oh, what?
Squeeze at least a dozen limes in there. Yep.
Wow.
And I bet you and tons and tons of garlic.
Yeah. Oh,
And
that's
then-
good.
yeah.
What the greens are?
Well, you see
they taste
you
like a
see all these greens that are over there?
lemongrass or something.
See all those greens that are there? And you see these sauces?
Ooh, those greens are good.
And there's onion.
I just want to eat like.
There's onions and there's
so good.
those little. Oh yeah, there's see those little
Even
red
the
peppers
yeah,
and those
because
red.
I feel the heat. I feel
Oh.
the heat too.
Yes, I'm
And,
gonna prep the fish soon,
Ooh, that's
and it's steamed fish.
wonderful. And then this is so light. It's so light.
Yeah, and it'll go on top of the steamed fish. Yeah, and the fish will absorb all that.
Wow, that's gonna be amazing.
I know. Ciao, 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 ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, I just tasted the this sauce that's going to go on top of the fish, and I agree, Joni. Pour in a little bit of white wine. I would say just pour until I say stop. A little bit more, a little bit more. Good, perfect. Ciao.